All right, Tom Ballas with Bass Gear Magazine from the Winter NAMM in Anaheim 2010. We're here at the Tecamp booth with Thomas Eich, and he's going to tell us about the new Blackjack 700. Thomas.
Yeah, this is the new Blackjack 700. It's a 700 watt RMS output on 8 ohm in bridge mode. Provides 820 watts RMS into 4 ohms. And it's a stereo power amp. That means you also can connect 2 cabinets. It will provide 2 times 350 watts into 4 ohms and 2 times 400 watts RMS into 2 ohms.
Wow.
The new thing is that we have a rock potentiometer that allows you to have that kind of tube power amp saturation. It makes it more big, the sound. If you turn it up all the way, it will provide really hard distortion. We have the compressor inside, which we already have in the Puma 1000, with a different type of attack times. That means if you have a short attack time, you will have a compression right after your fingers leaving the string. And if you switch it over to slow attack, that means that the first part of the second will be not affected. That means you will have 100% dynamic. And after this time, some milliseconds, the compression will come. That means that will give you a kind of squash in the sound, you know. The taste potentiometers already, we do that in the Bonafide and in the Puma series. This allows you to, if you turn it clockwise, it will illuminate a bit the high end. And if you turn it anti-clockwise, it will add a bit more rich mid-range, you know. Then we have a 4-band EQ and the boost for the low and the high. And also we have switchable mid-range. The low mid-range is switchable, frequency is switchable between 250 and 400 Hertz, and on the higher mid-range it's switchable between 0.8 to 1.2 kilohertz. Transformer balance the out, pre-post switchable. Yeah, that's it on the front. On the back side we have these 3 outputs for the speakers. The one is the bridge mode output, and these are the outputs per channel with attenuators for driving the cabinet more loud or damp something. Yeah, and then a send, effect send with 2 returns that makes you able to run the stereo power amp, run two cabinets. That means you are able to have a real stereo signal on stage. Yeah.
And what is the weight on this head?
Oh, it's about 2.8 kilograms, which is, I think, less than 6 pounds, whatever.
It's approximately the weight of a beach ball. It's very, very light. It's incredibly powerful, though. Sounds great. And of course, they have the Richard Bona signature model Bonafide, another 2-channel head that has the same power capabilities in a true 2-channel format. They have the wonderful Puma 1000 over here. We got some of the S-Series cabs, the Bass Gear Magazine award-winning Bad Bull head, and some of the L-Series cabinets. Always wonderful, wonderful amps and cabs you bring to these shows. Pleasure to play through them. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Take care. Bass Gear Magazine signing off.